Alright, let's do a quick video comparing the X6 to the Colorado. So let's just start with the X6 since I'm driving it. Right now, cruise set at 74 miles an hour, and it's surprisingly getting 17 miles per gallon. The last tank, basically going to Putnam Park from Ohio, I got 17.1 miles per gallon. So gas mileage is actually very surprising with this thing. And even with its small tanker at around 20 gallons, it can still get pretty far.
There's a speed trap ahead.
Let's see, what else is there to talk about this thing? Road noise is very similar to the Colorado. I'm going over a lot of expansion joints, so I don't know if that camera's going to pick it up. But I do think the cabin is quieter when it's really windy, because that Colorado was pretty loud when there were high winds on the highway. Visibility wise, it's pretty good. I have those blind spot mirrors so I can see the cars next to me, and then the main mirrors are pointed towards the trailer wheels. The rear of the X6 is actually wider than the Colorado, so it's actually harder to see the wheels of the trailer, but I can still make do, no problems at all. Power wise, this is also really good. 300 horsepower, 300 torque, so, and an 8-speed ZF. So I drive it in sport mode. I just cruise around in 6th gear or 7th gear, and this thing does it effortlessly. Yeah, so I really don't have any complaints going over to this thing. Now, what the Colorado did better was basically the body on frame versus the unibody part. I didn't realize how much a framed vehicle would isolate the noises coming from the trailer until I got into this thing. With the trailer empty, this thing is loud and clanks around because the tongue is bouncing up and down on the ball. However, with it loaded, it quiets it back down. On some expansion joints, it's still definitely louder, but nothing really to complain about. At 74, I don't really have any stability issues, especially when it's loaded properly. But I can definitely tell that when I have semis passing me, or when I pass semis, the Colorado is definitely more sure-footed. Let's see. But really, like, you can see this thing is shifting, or downshifting for me just fine. It's climbing up hills right now in 5th gear, and really, I don't think I'm stressing this engine at all. So, once again, the diesel would kind of chug along at 2,000 RPM all day long. This thing revs a little bit higher, but with an 8-speed on flat land, it does it just fine, and it's not screaming ever. So anyways, that's my quick little review. I really approve this X6, and for what you can buy one of these for around 10 grand, I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.